Sometimes we jump into opening a small business and we don't necessarily have the resources to buy an expensive logo. And really, your logo isn't going to make or break your shop. Once had a client come to me saying, no one's going to buy from me because another Etsy coach said my logo was ugly. And I 100% think that that is false. So today I am going to show you how you can make your own logo on Canva. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Bryn. I've been in the online small business industry since 2015. I own a top 1% performing Etsy shop. I'm also a blogger and a consultant for other creatives wanting to break into the e-commerce industry. I help other creatives that don't want to settle on a niche finally start their Etsy shop and quit their full-time job. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to know every time I post a new video.
Make sure you check out my last video on how to DIY your Etsy shop banner. So again, I don't think it's 100% necessary that you have like an official logo, but there is some branding that I think is appropriate to have completed, like this little icon here. So today we're just going to make a quick little logo on Canva so that we look like an official brand. So again, we are on the Canva home screen and we are going to type in logo. It's that easy. And we're going to look at different templates. So we're going to click on this one that says Co logo 500 by 500. Now, as you can see, it's going to give us 32,000 types of logos that we can use for our brand until maybe we can afford to buy one that is one of a kind. So I highly suggest scrolling through here, seeing which one fits your brand style. Now you can even look on the left-hand screen and filter through the different styles. So you can filter through style, you can filter through theme. My preference is minimal, so I'm going to tap on that and see what options I have. So I'm really liking this one, the simplicity of this one. So I'm going to go ahead and tap this. Perfect. So it is ready to be edited, and I am going to start by changing the colors. So this background color, I'm going to change to pink, and then all of the rest of the colors, I'm going to change to this dark purple. And again, I'm just tapping on the item that I want to change the color of, and then tapping on this little color button, and I can change it to a color palette that I have pre-selected or any default colors. If you know the color code, you can always type it in here. So now that I have all my coloring done, I'm going to go ahead and just change the wording. And I'm going to do BK because that is my business name and my initials, and consulting. So as you can see, the C is kind of going up into this B, and I'm going to just change that a little bit. You can edit the size by dragging this box. So it just fits in there a little bit better like that. So at this point, I am going to save my logo. So we're going to come up here to the top right-hand screen and tap share. And then we're going to tap this button that says download. And then we're going to run through these prompts. Now you're going to have all of these options. We're going to use this as a PNG, which is a high quality image. For this one, we can keep it as a size 1. It's not like the banner where we have to bump it up to a size 3 for it not to be blurry. So size 1, fine. We don't need a transparent background in this case, and we don't need to compress the file, and I'm not necessarily going to save these download settings. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and tap the download button. So once the logo is saved, I am going to head to my Etsy shop and I'm going to upload it. So I'm going to tap edit shop, and I'm going to tap right here where this little carnival house is. I don't know what it is. And I'm going to upload my logo. So I tapped on it. It says upload your shop icon. And I'm going to choose a file. And then we're going to go ahead and tap save. And then how does it look? It looks good. Let's do it. And then we're going to go ahead and tap view shop. And our shop is looking good. We got our banner and we have our logo. So I really hope that this was helpful. Canva is super easy to use, and I would highly suggest using it for a lot of your business needs. Get in there, start trying things out, and just try to have fun with it.
Be sure to grab my free SEO guide and start getting more traffic to your shop today. Don't forget to subscribe and get notified on my next video so that you can continue to educate yourself on how to start that Etsy shop and grow your business. While you wait for that, go ahead and check out these other videos. I'll see you soon.